Here's how to solve problem 1. Feel free to pause the video and give the problem a shot, and keep watching to see the solution. Okay, here's the solution. So p of x is equal to negative x times x minus 4 times x plus 2, and we want to find out when p of x is greater than or equal to 0. So we're looking at the sign of p of x, and when looking at the sign, we need to think number line. Okay, and we're going to plot the roots. So that's when this is 0, x equals 0. When this is 0, x minus 4 equals 0. And when this is 0, so x plus 2 equals 0. So if x minus 4 equals 0, how much is x? X is 4, and here x is negative 2. Let's plot these three. So 0 is going to be here, 4 is going to be here, negative 2 is going to be here. Next, we need to look at the end behavior. As we approach positive infinity, is p of x going to be positive or negative? Well, we can plug in a very large positive number in for x. So if x is a very large positive number, then this is going to be positive, this will be positive, this will be positive. So all this multiplies to be a positive number, but we have to take the negative. So actually p of x ends up being negative. And we know that with the number line, it alternates. So negative, positive, negative, positive. So what intervals are positive? So it's going to be this one, as well as this one. Since the answer choices are in interval notation, we need to write these in interval notation as well. So how do we do that? Well, this arrow means we start at negative infinity, and then we went all the way up to negative 2. Now, are we going to use a bracket or a parentheses? When x is negative 2, is p of x greater than or equal to 0? Well, when x is negative 2 is a root, so p of x is going to be equal to 0. And when p of x is 0, it's greater than or equal to 0 as well. So negative 2 is included. And since we want to include negative 2, we need to use a bracket. For the same reason, we're going to include 0 as well as 4. So this is your answer. It's going to be which answer choice? It's going to be D.